Hey guys, Mr. Randall here again today, and for today's video we're still going to be talking about prisms and surface area, but we're going to talk a little bit about pyramids versus prisms. Okay, here's your quizzes code again, and same link as yesterday. We're kind of breaking this section down into 2 days. Okay, so we look here, we know the pyramids of Giza. Well, you can kind of see that shape, but think about how these shapes compare to one another. Well, once you kind of have an idea, I have a video here for you guys that I'd like to show. Play it for you.
Is pyramids. The tetrahedron is already a pyramid. We're taking a polygon base and connecting that polygon to a point. This is what a pyramid is, but a pyramid...
Again, a pyramid is a polygon base to a point.
Doesn't have to have a triangular base. You can have, for instance, a square pyramid. We take the square as a base, and we connect that square base to a point. There's a square pyramid. The same can be done with a pentagon. Oh, but only if you're really good with your hands. There we go, a pentagonal pyramid. How beautiful. Now, another thing that we can do is connect a polygon to not a point, but another polygon just like it that has simply been translated away, but not rotated. If we do that, what we are making is called a prism. I'll connect these two squares with other squares, and I will make actually a very special kind of square prism, a cube. A cube. You can make a prism out of anything. This is what a prism... Well, you can't make a prism out of anything. Like, you couldn't make a prism out of, justice. I just mean that you can make a prism using any polygon base. So here's a pentagon, and if I put squares all the way around, I can connect that pentagon with another pentagon. Boom. A pentagonal prism. But there's another way to connect two parallel polygons that doesn't involve squares. Instead, it involves the shape.
Alright, so looking at that, what we have now is we can see a pyramid is, well, the base and a point. This is a prism because here's your triangular base, and you have rectangles here, here, and what would be underneath right here, and it is this triangle is translated what looks like away from us, so we have kind of like a 3D representation of a triangle. Okay, but again, this triangle isn't rotated or anything, it's just translated away from where we're looking at it. Okay, and that kind of leads us well into something else. You remember that if you look at that video, he had separate 2D shapes and he used those and connected them to make 3D shapes. Well, a net here is exactly that. We have this. These are the same shape. This is just the 3D representation once this is folded up. So, to find the surface area, and remember surface area is the plastic cover of a water balloon. It's the stuff that covers the outside of a shape. Well, if we look, the area of this becomes the surface area of this. So, we can find the area of all these rectangles, right? So what we do is we find the area of each side. So we'd find the area of these 6 rectangles, and then we add all the sides up. That would get you your surface area. Okay, so those are the 2 steps of finding the surface area. We look here, what we have is I have these listed 1 through 5. We look at 1, that rectangle is going to be 10 times 5. So we're going to get an area of 50 for this rectangle. Same for these 2 rectangles, because these each have a base of 5. These are each 5 by 10, I mean. We look at the triangle 4 and 5. Well, we're going to have base of 5, height of 4, and we need to do half of that. So 5 times 4 is 20, half of that is 10. Do it again over here, because they'd have to be the same to match up, make it a solid, and our answer will be 170. Okay, one last problem here for the day. We look at this rectangular prism now. Well, we can find the area of all these rectangles, so I have them all listed out here. So if we do 8 times 3, we're going to have a 24 right here. then the other 8 by 3 is going to be 24 as well, so right there. Well, this is going to be 8 times 6, so we're going to have a 48 right here, and a 48 right here, because this is again 6 by 8, 6 by 8. And these two rectangles right here, we're going to have the 18 and 18. Okay, so now we've found the area of the net. And again, how I said that the area of a net is the same as the surface area for the 3D object it makes. What we're going to do is we're going to add them all up. And we would get 180. Okay, 180. And that would be in square units. So we'll just put that square units. Okay. Again, make sure we do our quizzes. Go to this link if you have more help. Need more help, but otherwise, have a good day, guys.